We have all 8 HGX servers landed and installed in Vancouver, so 64 H100s are ready to go. So it's not just going to be like one day we're just going to flip a switch and these things are all going to turn on. So right now we are working on collecting analytical data on all of the cards. So every single one across the array that we've set up. And we're getting very fine detailed information. Like we know the clock speeds that we're running at. We know how many tensor cars are running. We know what their memories are capped at. We know what the utilization is, the watts. We're getting all this empirical data flooding in at like 2-second intervals across all of our servers. And this is what is helping us diagnose where we get dips and flows in tau. So when we're doing really well, we're able to use this empirical data to understand where we've utilized this hardware properly. When we're doing very poorly, we're able to understand where we need to improve. A lot of this comes from the tutelage of Logris and his experience harnessing the data of 3 billion devices coming in through a single cluster. Just through that, it's just made me a better developer.